Coding languages. They're how we tell computers what to do. Think of it like human languages. Instead of speaking English or Spanish, you're speaking Python, Java, or C++. Each language has its own syntax, its own grammar, its own way of structuring instructions. And just like human languages, some are better suited for certain tasks than others. Alex, let's talk languages. Python's great. Its syntax reads almost like plain English, perfect for beginners. Java? It's the backbone of many large systems, known for its write once, run anywhere capability. And JavaScript? Absolutely essential for anything interactive on the web. The best choice really depends on your goals. Want to build websites, games, data analysis tools? That'll point you in the right direction. To get good, start with the basics. Online courses, tutorials, and even coding boot camps are fantastic resources. Think of it like learning a language. You begin with the alphabet and grammar. Practice consistently. Work on small projects. Building a simple calculator or a to-do list app can solidify your understanding. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Debugging is a crucial skill. Learning to code is a journey, not a destination. Stay curious, keep practicing, and build a portfolio of projects to showcase your skills. Think of coding like learning a musical instrument. Consistent practice is key. The more you code, the better you'll become. Don't be afraid to experiment and break things. That's how you truly learn. Good luck and happy coding!